Hey friends, and welcome back to the Easy Salsa Recipe channel. As you can see, we are at a different scenery today compared to our normal scene from our Michigan home. We are at our second home, which is in Florida. For those who don't know, we purchased a home in Southwest Florida about a year ago. So we are here vacationing right now to get the kids out of the house and just a nice change of scenery for a little bit. But we are going to dive into this chunky red salsa, and it's going to be delicious. It's more of a restaurant style. So let's get going because I am starving. It's been a long day of swimming in hot sun. So we'll see in a bit. Dice all the tomatoes into a desired size. The dicing size on all the ingredients will indicate how chunky our salsa is going to be. Cut the top and bottom of the green pepper and remove the core and begin to dice up the pepper. Cut the top and bottom off the onion and begin to peel the skin layer off. And then dice. So as I mentioned in my previous video about telling the hotness of a jalapeno, this is a perfect example of a stressed jalapeno right here. It's totally stressed, and it's got the second element that I mentioned is it's beginning to turn red. So we got some good peppers going on here, and mind you, I have two more perfect peppers, so this is going to be amazing. Cut the tops off the jalapenos. Chop and dice the jalapenos. Dice up the garlic cloves. Open and dump the can of tomato paste into the pan. Fill the tomato paste can half with water, and then mix and then dump into the saucepan. Use 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Use about 3/4 of a teaspoon of ground cumin. 2 tablespoons of squeezed lemon. Use about 1 tablespoon of sugar. Salt to taste. Mix well, and that's it. If my mama likes it.
Good.
Okay, hey!
Because we need a little bit more salt.
We always do salt to taste, so yeah, absolutely.
That's good. It tastes like mine.
It's mother-in-law approved.
Mother-in-law approved, we're good. Folks, we got it going for the taste test. We saw my mother-in-law's reaction. She liked it a lot. She thinks it tastes like hers, so it's kind of a shocking thing. So, which is cool. But now, let's do this. Today I'm just using a cafe style on the border chip. So you can find these at any restaurant, any restaurant, no, any store like Walmart and whatnot. So, anyways, I guess I'm just too excited to try this. It's been a while. Okay, it's pretty thick. You guys see the thickness? Okay. Flavor, really good.
Is it hot?
Oh, the heatness is kicking in. But that's all right. That's all right, because you know it's a good salsa if you're getting another chip. I'm going in to get it. It's got a really good flavor. I knew, as I mentioned before, those jalapenos were going to be dangerous. Man, they are hot. Perfect hot. This is good. This is good. As you can see, it turned out just amazing. We did it in a regular size saucepan. This sat around for a while, so it's nice and cool, but we're gonna refrigerate this and then try to get it tomorrow because this is supposed to be refrigerated after it sits, so we'll do another taste test tomorrow. And I think it's just gonna be 1,000 times even better. This is amazing right now, but those peppers are hot. So if you like these kind of videos, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. We post a new easy salsa recipe every Thursday. So stay tuned for the next one. Hope to see you then. Bye guys.